Here's a way to boost a post. You just go to your business page and then go through your news feed and just check all the posts that you've done recently. You'll see when you're logged in as your business page admin that underneath each post, you'll see a boost post button. It makes it super easy to boost. And you could also check your organic reach. So you'll see here, 6 likes on this one, 2 likes on that one, 14 on this one, 2 on this one, 3 on this one. And you just keep going down and you look for a post that was maybe doing better than the normal. I think our average is 3. Look at that, 3. And then this one got 19. So here it's about our podcast. We're like, hey, we got a podcast. It's got 1,000 downloads. Pretty cool. You should watch it. And you can scroll down or boost something with more leverage to it. So let's just show you how to do a boost. Let's go to one of our cool new testimonials we did. This one. Let's boost this one. We're going to go here and we're going to pick exactly the things that Facebook recommends. So we want the Advantage Creative. It's going to make sure everything looks good. And then you need to target. So we have some things saved for us around our clinic. We've got, a 13-mile radius here between the age groups that we want to see. You could do your local area. You can retarget people who follow you already. This one is we're going to pick this one, 13 miles away. We'll do 5 miles. Let's do 5 days. Let's spend $5 a day. And let's just see. It'll tell you what you're going to see here. You're going to reach about 1,000 to 2,000 accounts and you should be getting about 11 to 30 clicks, but it just depends on what's going on with that. So there we go. We got everything set up here. Nothing about politics, and you're all set here. You can change the buttons. This one says call now. There is a way to change the goal. So you can change the goal here, get more video views, get more goals. So there we want more video views. And then you hit the Boost Now button. Once you hit the Boost Now button, you'll see it'll submit it as an ad, and it'll start taking your ad spend for that at $5 a day. And you can check it in 5 days. Then compare that to your other posts and see what happens when you spend $25, how much more engagement you get. There has to be a strategy to when you boost, though. Boosting gives you more likes, gives you more engagement, which is great. That's the strategy that we're doing this for. But another great way to get more likes and grow your page is by, once you start getting a lot of likes, is to click on the ad or the post when you're done and check and see who's actually liking it. Like when you click on this, you can see people already following you and that you've invited already. So what I do is I always check these once a week or so, and then I see if all 19 people here, have they been invited to like our page. So I got to invite these two and see if they will actually like our page too. And that's how we slowly grow the likes and the viewership in our office. Hopefully that's useful. Give it a shot, try it out, and see how you do.